Good morning, everyone. We've got a cool one for you today. CustomPutterLights.com sent me out these custom putter lights for 3 of my vehicles. One of them would be a 2010 Toyota Tundra, 2014 Honda Odyssey, and the third one is a 2016 Acura TLX. These ones are actually pretty cool. These are all custom made for all those 3 vehicles with whatever logos that I wanted. This is a pretty cool company. Not a lot of people know about him yet, but like I said, this is a custom made for these vehicles. You can get any kind of designs you want. You just have to send him an email. The company is actually based out of Houston, Texas, which not a lot of people know yet, but they are climbing the unknown territory already, and they are climbing the known situation part of it. So I've actually checked out their website, and obviously I got the products now. And I can definitely tell that these are quality made. These are literally custom made for this vehicle with the logo that I wanted. For the TLX, it's going to be my wife's business logo. For the Odyssey, it's for my audio installation or car modification logo. And for the Tundra, just a TRD, which they have it pre-made already for the Tundras. But overall, like I said, this is going to be a super simple install. It's going to be very quick. The nice thing about it is they utilize the latching clip positions. So there's going to be holes that it would insert to and then obviously clip on. That way it's not going to be dangling or vibrating and things like that. I'm going to go ahead and open the other ones to show you what the other kits look like. Super cool set. And here's the last one. These are all made out of glass, so they are pretty precisely made. And also it has the proper connector that would just plug into your factory connector. So super cool. They cover pretty much almost all vehicles in the market. If you want to make sure, you just have to send them an email just to verify that it will work for your vehicle. They also do have a lifetime no fade warranty. Definitely a cool thing. So they guarantee that it's never going to fade. The light output would always still be the same from brand new to whatever or how long you ever use it. The cool thing about these is also they are made out of weather resistant housing. So they may look a little bit different from the factory lights, but obviously they have more components inside. And they also have a fast customer service support over the phone and email. So that's definitely a shout out and a plus to them. So if you guys want to check them out, CustomPutterLights.com. If you are unsure if it's going to fit your vehicle, just go ahead and kind of email them and ask. They also offer 15% off for your first order, which I'm also going to attach their website to the description. So we're going to go ahead and test out the Toyota Tundra and the Honda Odyssey just to kind of show you how to install it. And then we're going to show you what it looks like at nighttime. Here's the Toyota Tundra. And here's the 2014 Honda Odyssey. Basically the same as the 2011 to 2017. We're going to begin with the 2010 Toyota Tundra. Obviously it'll be the same as the 2007 to 2013s. This one's pretty simple. All you will really need is a plastic tool remover or a flathead, just in case it wants to be stubborn and not want to come off. But I always start off right here in the corner, so we'll see if we can get it to pop off with the plastic. Super simple. As you can see, it has the locking tab right here. Go ahead and release the locking tab, and just like that, it's released. Now we just match up the aftermarket putter lights. Excuse the nails. I do have 2 girls, so they like to paint my nails and I guess practice on me, so it is what it is. But this thing does plug in very smoothly. Slides in just like factory. And just like that, it's kind of hard to see right now, but shows TRD, and it's definitely going to shine when it's nighttime. Once you plug the new puddle lights, just make sure it locks in. And just like that, it's all locked in. Now you can insert it the same way the factory one came out. Make sure the plug side goes in first. And just like that, the driver's side is done. Now we'll move on to the passenger side. Passenger side is pretty much the same exact as the driver, so go ahead and pull it out and plug the new putter lights in. Now that we both got the drivers done, we're going to go ahead and move on to the Honda Odyssey. Now you might be wondering what this clip is. This is for you to adjust the output angle. As stated in the instruction, it'll just go to 2 slots and you can move it left or right to whatever position or angle you want it to be. For the 2014 or the 2011 to 2017 Honda Odysseys, this one's a little tricky, but you will need a flathead and you need to go underneath. There will be a slot that you can insert it to pop it off, as there is tabs right here. So what you have to do is basically push this in, pull it out, and then slide it out just like that. And obviously I do have LED already here, so this has to come off. The new system also comes with the connector right here, which shout out to them for doing that. So basically this makes it a very simple and very quick to install. Simple in and out. So we're gonna go ahead and plug it in. The connector that they have in there is basically the same as the 168 bulbs that come factory from them. So you just slide it in and make sure it goes in straight. And go ahead and verify that it is on, which it is on, but it's just hard to see right here. And that's my logo. Like I said, you have to start off from the top, slide it in, and just like that, it's locked in. Passenger side, the same exact procedure. That connector that they use in there slid in pretty good, no problems, pretty tight, so that's a good thing. Go ahead and slide it in. It is on, so lock it in. Just like that, the Honda Odyssey is done. Now we move on to the 2016 TLX. This also applies to the 2015 to about 2017. The light is going to be under right here. Sorry if it's a little windy, but for this one you can use a flathead and stick it right here to the opening. It is held by this locking tab right here. So go ahead and unhook the plug. Now we can go ahead and reinstall the new putter light. It is crazy windy today in Kansas. We're supposed to have a storm, but I wanted to get all of these installed before that does happen. Otherwise, just slide this in first. You lock it in. Now we move on to the driver's side. Unplug it. Plug the new system in. Pop it back in. And we are done. Now that we're done with all 3 vehicles, now we just wait till nighttime and really see how beautiful these pieces are. Finally, it is nighttime. I've been waiting and waiting patiently to see the puddle lights. Full-blown dark. Beautiful. I love it. The logos are pretty much, I literally have no words for it. The design, the execution is up to par. Nice and bright. Light shines perfectly. So now we get to check out the TLX. This is my Honda Odyssey right now. We're going to go ahead and check out the TLX and the Toyota Tundra. Now we're moving on to the Tundra. I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera light off. super sweet. I love that TRD logo. Perfect lines. That's when you know it was executed perfectly. The design was flawless. I definitely love it. Now for the last one, 2016 TLX, turning the lights off. This thing is so awesome. That's my wife's logo. Super awesome. That concludes the putter light install from Custom Putter Lights in the 2nd gen Toyota Tundra, the 1st gen Acura TLX, and the 4th gen Honda Odyssey. I want to give a shout out again to Custom Putter Lights. Quality made, very bright, and also installs perfectly. So if you guys check it out, I'll attach the link to the description. Peace.